Lie on your back. Close your eyes. Slightly part your lips. Take one slow breath in, and as you exhale, release everything, every worry, every tension. Just let it all go. Imagine warm golden light flowing in through the crown of your head, traveling slowly downward, settling deep into your dantian. Feel it glowing there, still, warm, full. With every breath, the energy of the universe and the energy within you quietly merge, becoming one. Inhale, cosmic energy pours in. Exhale, stagnant energy releases. Now, soul breathing, 3 rounds. Send each breath from your crown all the way to the soles of your feet. Round 1. Inhale, 4 seconds. Awareness travels from the crown, through the dantian, down to the Yongquan point at your soles. Hold, 2 seconds. Energy glowing like golden sunlight. Exhale, 6 seconds. Fatigue and heaviness released through the soles. Round 2. Inhale, 4 seconds. Crown to soles, warmth deepening. Hold, 2 seconds. Your soles radiate light into the earth. Exhale, 6 seconds. Let it all go. Round 3. Inhale, 4 seconds. All the way down. Hold, 2 seconds. You and the earth connected. Exhale, 6 seconds. Release completely. Your legs feel warm, full, alive. Relax the whole body. Release.